Hello students. So now as we all know we have completed 4 chapters in your course. Now we are going to start with the 5th chapter. That is chapter number 3, Movements of the Earth. Right? What? Movements of the Earth. In this chapter we are going to learn about the movements of the Earth. कि Earth कैसे move करती है. There are two major reasons in which it moves. First is rotation and the second is revolution. So now let's see what are these. The Earth moves in two different ways. How many ways? Two different ways. It rotates like a top. It rotates like a top and also revolves or move around the sun in a fixed path. Okay? It rotates like a top. Top, you can see the picture. This is top. Now, let's see. It rotates like a top and also revolves or move around the sun in a fixed path. एक तो ये टॉप की तरह अपनी जगह पर घूमती है और दूसरा मूवमेंट कौन सा होता है? It also revolves or move around the sun in a fixed path. Okay? It does not seem to us that it is moving because everything in the earth, including the air, moves with it. हमें ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता है कि हम लोग अर्थ के साथ घूम रहे हैं. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि because अर्थ के साथ और भी बाकी चीजें घूमती है, including the air. Okay? Now, in this picture, you are able to see two pictures. That is, one is the picture of a top and the other picture is of a globe. Now, top, you know, it is a toy. A top spinning around its axis. If you have ever played with top, then you might have noticed that when we rotate a top, it spins around its own axis. अपनी ही एक लाइन पर वो घूमता है. That is called axis of rotation. Okay. Similarly, globe के साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है. The globe also rotates around its axis, and similarly to the earth. Now, rotation of the earth. Take a globe and spin it. It spins around a line passing through its center. Okay? The imaginary line around which it spins is called its axis. अगर हम एक globe लेंगे और अगर हम इसे घुमाएंगे, then it will spin around a line passing through its center. और वो एक अपनी imaginary line के through spin करेगा, and that imaginary line is known as axis. The earth also spins about its axis in the same way. Okay? Globe के साथ similarly earth भी अपनी एक imaginary line के through spin करती है, then that imaginary line is known as axis. The spinning motion of the earth is called rotation. और जो अर्थ का अपनी ही लाइन पर घूमना, अपनी ही इमेजिनरी लाइन पर घूमना होता है, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? It is called as rotation. Next. Now, in this topic we are going to discuss about the rotation of the earth. कैसे अर्थ अपनी ही एक लाइन पर रोटेट करती है और उससे क्या होता है? Okay? Look at this picture carefully. That earth is rotating, right? Now what happens when earth rotates? अब earth rotate हो रही है तो क्या होगा? ठीक है? Day and night will occur. क्या होगा? Day and night will occur. The rotation of the earth around its axis causes day and night. और जो rotation होता है earth का अपनी axis पर और उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? We can determine day and night. Now we are going to determine day and night with an interesting activity. Now let's see. Shine a torch at a globe in a dark room. You will see that only half the globe is lit. The other half will be dark. जैसे ही हम एक torch globe के ऊपर lit करेंगे, then in a dark room, then what will happen? Only half of the globe is lit and the other half will be dark. हम half globe पर अगर हम globe के ऊपर अगर हम light throw करेंगे, then what will happen? Only half of the globe will lit and the other half will be dark. Now rotate the globe. The dark areas now become lighted and the lighted areas go into darkness. See it through a picture. See, if we throw light on globe in a dark room, then what will happen? Only half of the portion is lit and the other half portion is dark. So, and if we rotate this globe once again, then the area which was in dark, it becomes in a light, and the area which was earlier in dark comes into the light, and the light portion goes to dark. Now, the globe is like the earth, and the torch is like the sun shining on the earth. The portion of the earth facing the sun has day. The portion facing away from the sun has night. This is how we are going to know about how it happens, how day and night happens. When the sun faces the earth, then that portion of the earth, that half portion of the earth has day, and the other half portion has night. Okay? The earth completes one rotation around its axis in 24 hours. Now students, this is most important and most important question it is that how many time does it require the earth to take a complete one rotation? It takes 24 hours. एक पूरा rotation complete करने में earth को कितना time लगता है? 24 hours. Okay? So student, that's all for today. In our next class, we are going to discuss about the revolution of the earth. In this class, we have learned about the rotation of the earth, कि earth अपनी ही जगह पर कैसे rotate करती है, और next class में हम पढ़ेंगे कि earth भी sun के around कैसे revolute करती है. Okay? So that's all for today.